to Jurassic Room. Guys, welcome to Jurassic Room. We're going to do a real quick feeding of all the animals today. Now, last night while I was doing the Alien Covenant review, I was feeding the catfish, and I'll post that video, even though when I looked at it, man, it was not a great quality, because this phone, though. But, you know, maybe one day we'll have something a little better. I'm going to feed Nira, I'm going to feed Caesar, I'm going to feed Spud real quick, Toothless, Pokey, Crone, and Oracle. So we're going to do them really quick. Start the catfish, turtle. I apologize for some of the tanks being a little dirty, but I'm going to clean them tomorrow. I'm just really busy tonight. My sister is cleaning another room with the vacuum right now, so we got to get all that done. And I'll try and have everything cleaned up tomorrow, but I wanted to go ahead and get this feeding video out. So let's go ahead and get Pokey done real fast. Catfish video will be probably at the end of this, the reptiles and all that, but let's go ahead and feed Pokey these little fellers. Alright, that's a good girl. Get him. Don't get stuck. Come on, girl. You almost got him. Almost had him. He's right here. Oop. Almost there. Here we go. Oh, she got it. Oh, almost had it. Oh, there she goes. She got that one. There we go. That's a good girl. They're all around here, girl. She's looking at me. I want some berries. Some leafy greens. Ooh, but I'll take these. They're all hiding. Trying to hide. You shall not hide from the Pokey. Come on. Ah, you let it go. There you go. Oh, crap. I'm fuzzy in just a few seconds. No! No! Come on now. There we go. I went fuzzy at the wrong time. So on, girls. A few more in there. I'm going to spook this one over towards her. Oh, she got it. Good girl. Well, I'll just film these four right here, but there is more for her later on. Oh, she got that one too. Good girl, Pokey. Good girl. Yeah, you're my good girl. Yeah. What's that? Oh, it's just leaves. There we go. She's probably looking for more, but we'll feed her. I'll feed her again in just a minute. Just want to get those ones on video. Now we'll move on to Crone. She's gonna keep looking. And I'm doing Oracle next. Sorry, I forgot. Since she's on the bottom, she's drinking right now. She's got a little bit of skin left around her face, just to water her a little bit more. So she's thirsty right now. She's looking beautiful. And I think I'm going to start actually looking at breeding her and Crone soon. Trying to fatten Crone up a little bit, because if you look at him, he's a little bit skinny right now. He just had a little battle with an infection in his groin area. I'll explain that a little bit. But he had a little infection there, and luckily it's healed now, and he's starting to gain weight a lot back. He used to be very sluggish. I didn't even think he was going to make it, but he's looking a heck of a lot better now. Alright, girl, now you're still drinking. We'll let you drink a little bit. And now we'll pour in these guys over here. Let's just let them crawl in. She's gonna start going off on them in just a minute. Go on, little fella. Get moving. Get going. I'm trying to tap this one out of the cup. There we go. Oh, no, there's one more in there. Come on. Come on, you. There. Now they're all out of there. She's gonna go off and just, I'm gonna get that leftover skin off her face in just a little bit. Yeah, girl, we'll get your tank done in the morning, but come on. I think she's just enjoying that water for a minute. Look around. Alright, we'll just wait a minute then. Oh, now she's on the hunt. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Let's go. Ah. She's like, oh, here they are. It's hunting time. Here we go. Ooh. Oh, you missed him. She almost had it, though. Alright. See if she sees this one just a minute here. Don't react. She got it. Yeah, she's a good girl. Get all these other little suckers around you. Oh, wait, what? What? Is that it? I thought you were in your mouth. Well, you got this one now. Quit walking by her. Come on. Come on. Yes. Come on. No! Oh. Ah. They're all in our cave now. It's going to be hard to see. Oh, buggers. Did she get one? You see. Hard to be sure. Can't see through the back. They're all out here now. You're giving her the jukes. Trying to get the camera on, but she got one right there. She's making another one. Trying to get the camera reset up again. Ah, she's over there now. Oh, did she? Yeah, she got it. There's one on video and we can barely even see it. We'll kind of take a break for her in a minute. Already fed this guy, but we'll show him off if he'll be in the camera view. That Spook the Blind Cave Tetra there. It's kind of blurry though. There he is. He's kind of just pecking at the bottom. Got the minnows up here. Gotta clean their tank out from algae. Since Oracle is over here, since we can't really see her that much, got her licking her chops. We'll see when she gets out a little bit, but we'll go ahead and do Crone real quick. Hey, big guy. You ready? This is going to be a show. You already got one. There we go. I think that's all of them. Yep. There you go, big boy. He's munching through them. It's nice to see he's feeling a lot better. Come in here and vacuum your tanks out, guys. Tomorrow. I can't see to get one. I got it on the side here. Well, I guess he did. Oh, man, that was a close-up shot, too. That was cool. Hey, buddy. Oh, we got near Oracle down here. Come on, girl. Come on, come on. Get this one. Get this one. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't get too close. Ah! No, no. Yes. Yes, come on. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on, he's right there. Ah! You gotta be kidding me. Really? Alright, we got this one coming up. Please get this one, girl. Get this one, get this one, get this one. Come on. Little turds. Ah, they keep getting away. Keep on hiding behind this cave. Oh. Look at this. So serious. Ah, he's so close, but dang, that was a serious hunt. Hey, bud. Keep on looking. Oracle, she's still down here. She's kind of been hunting around. I keep on eluding her, but she'll get them all. What you see, girl? See one in there? I see a bunch out here. But I think we're gonna leave the leopard geckos alone for a little bit. They've already got some, and I think we're gonna go ahead and feed Caesar really quick. He's here and he knows it's time. He knows it's dinner time. All right, and it is time to feed old Caesar here. He is ready for some crickets. You can see him right here. Yeah, buddy. He's already munching now. It's all of them. Focus on filming a little bit. Here we go, big guy. So you're a lot more effective than the leopard geckos at eating. Oh man. I had to take a break from Caesar for a minute. Oh! Oracle got one! Yes! Yes, girl! I meant to look at you sooner, but at least we get to see her consume it. And yes, I gotta remove that skin from her mouth in just a little bit. Right, girl? But yes, we got to see her get one finally. Got those beautiful markings. Can't wait to have some pretty little leopard gecko babies. We got Crone up here, and he's doing pretty successfully. But let's watch Caesar for a little bit. Let him get all of his. This one right here, buddy. There's one over there. Dude, it's right there. Where did he get away? Did you get him all, buddy? think you got them all. I think I'll put 6 in there. Nope. You got that one though, I think. Did he? Wasn't paying attention. Oh, come on, girl. Ah, you missed him again. They're all over here though. Yes, girl. Hunt this one. Hunt this one down. It is your destiny. Oh, come on. Come on. It's right there. Hunt it down. Quit looking at me. Oh, there is one last one in there. It's dark in there because I'm moving the light over to Caesar for a minute, or Spud. Did you get it? Nope. Still back there, buddy. But you catch this one last one. It's right there. Just only log off the camera for a minute, but back here. There you go. There you go. Seriously? There we go. Get it. Get it. Ah! It's hiding in the same place. This is a smart cricket. I think we'll leave him alone for a little bit. Let's go on and move it on ahead to Spud over here. The light is kind of messed up. That light over ahead of him is messed up, so we'll, if I can get this one working. Alright. Go ahead and feed this guy really quick. Oh! Well, I got that one. Good job, boy. He seems to be enjoying that one. We got side. Well, no, it's kind of foggy. You know, it looks so clear, and yet when you like move in, it's really foggy again. Let's go ahead and do one last time. Slide over here. There we go. Alrighty. And that's Spud, the tiger salamander. Let me zoom the light out for a minute. There we go. You happy, buddy? Got your cricket? And swallow it the rest of the way. Okay, well, it's taking a little while to finish that cricket off. Let's go ahead and move on to that light's got to be fixed. Let's go ahead and move on to Toothless real quick. Okay, so I like to be careful with that light since it's sitting right there. Just 1 second. Alright, so first cricket in. Oh, hardly see over here. Oh. Darn, it's kind of dark over here. We're going to have to move him over to this side of the tank so y'all can see. We'll do that really quick. But first, I want you to look at him for a minute. Alright, now I'm not going to log out so I can get him over here. There we go. Alright. He's moving over here. Oh, nope. I want you to come over here, buddy. Yeah, come over here. Into the light. Come on. Come on, big guy. He's a good boy. Yeah, come on. Alright, come over here. I know you're having some difficulty swimming, but come on. I can't get the light over here. Hold on a second, maybe I can. Little Todd. Little Todd. Alright, whatever, let's see if we can get him swimming up for a minute. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come and get it. Just come up a little bit more so everyone can see you. So you actually seem pretty good right here. Let's see. Not really. Maybe we'll try one more time. One more cricket. Alright. One more cricket for him for right now. See if we can see it from over here. Yeah. Come on, big guy. Right here. Alright. I want y'all to be able to see him. Come on. There we go. Perfect. Oh, yes, that was perfect. Good boy. Notice he's on the no fishing sign. Alright, buddy. I think we're done with you for tonight. That was pretty awesome. I got to see some actually pretty good footage of him for once. Alright, buddy. We'll leave you alone for a little bit. He's gotten so much older, though, because as you can see, he's lost his gills. They're not as bushy as they used to be, so it means that he's a really matured axolotl. Now, I don't recommend hand feeding a snake, but I cannot find my tweezers right now. So this is really stupid for anyone to do, but here's Nira. Here she is, my big girl. We're going to go ahead and feed her from the side here. Come on. Over here, girl. Over here. Over here, girl. Yeah. You see the mouse? You see the mouse dangling? Hey. Might change approach here, but nope. Just come on. Come on. Come on, girl. Yep, come on. You see it. Come on, girl. Come on. Yeah. Come on. We're just moving along. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna put my fingers in there. So you gotta come to me. Come on. Slow as ever. Right up here. Okay. Yep. Make your way up here. Come on. So close. So close, yes. yeah. Oh, yeah, there she goes. Right. Oh, well, the light shut off again. We gotta fix that stupid thing. There she is. All coiled up now. So honestly, I'm gonna go ahead and put Caesar back on top of the tank. I'll scout this out of her tank. It's her newest shed. It's a pretty big one. She's well over 3 feet long now. So we'll just wait a little bit and let her slowly start to eat the mouse. Alright, we got her starting to swallow now. Just gonna run the head. See her eye right there. It's pretty cool. Well, it just has to wait a minute because this is a slow process. Alright. She's slowly moving. But I gotta save a little bit of video time, so I'll have to pause her a few minutes. She's maneuvering her jaw around the head here. Once she gets it around the head, it'll be just very quick, actually. Pretty quick. What you looking at, Caesar? You're not getting any more for a minute. He's staring right at me right now. I think he's going to get some more crickets. Now let's get into the cool part. This goes all in. There goes the tail. And that's it. It's down the gullet. He's a good girl. Yeah, you got that, mouse. Don't you be looking at me right now. Just trying to get the thing down your gullet. So that took a total of 10 minutes just about for her to swallow that. It's going right down there. Alright, and here's Caesar right here. He's still waiting. I'll probably feed him just a little bit more, but then get him some greens. Everybody else seems to be chilling out after their dinner, like Crone here. Salamanders are done. Pokey's done. Let's see, Catfish is going to come right next, because I did that last night. The turtle will be fed some meat in a little bit, right, buddy? And I gotta clean your tank out tomorrow, right? So you gotta look at you for a minute. Alright, buddy. Then we'll maybe check out Andrea's little turtles that she's got. One second. I thought I would do this really quick. We haven't really seen a lot of animal videos lately, so I thought I'd look at the catfish for a minute. And check out DJ, see how he's doing, and feed him this little ghost shrimp that I have. See if he'll eat it, actually. Let's see. Oh, looky there. Come on. Oh, there he goes. Well, don't be shy. He seems pretty full. Back up in there. I'll feed the other guys really quick. We'll see how the other catfish are doing. We got Salfang and Will in there. Alright, let's go ahead and get that real quick. Alright. You have a tiny portion to DJ. There we go. He'll come out and eat all that. I'll get my other hand out to help with camera. He seems to be enjoying it, though. That's a little bit of a Boston butt, so alright, we'll get on with the others really quick. Let me chew something up real quick. First chunk we got here, we'll put right up here. That's going to fall down there. You're just going to start going ballistic over it. There's Salfang. They both like to share the same cave. I need to put some like extra caves in there for them to look, for us to see them in. And there's Will. You can see the spots on his tail. Should get a good look at his face in just a minute. We'll drop the second bit in just a minute. Go ahead and dry my hand off so I can better hold the camera. Come on, Will, don't be shy. Let's get a good look at you. Just keep seeing Saurfang. I haven't really moved the castle in a while to see what they look like now. I usually move everything for them because I like to see. I like to leave them alone. There's Saurfang. He's the Asian red-tailed catfish. If you're just now seeing this video, there are 3 catfish in this tank. Saurfang is a Asian redtail, and he is about 6 inches long. Will is in here, and he is a channel catfish, and he is about 9 inches long. And then you have DJ over here, which is an electric catfish, and he's only about an inch to an inch and a half long. And if you don't get the names yet, they are all named after pirates on Pirates of the Caribbean. DJ, short for Davy Jones, because he's got the puckered lips and like the tentacles of Davy Jones. And you got Will, he's kind of just plain, so he's the catfish, he's the channel catfish, and then Saurfang, because he's an Asian red-tailed catfish, so named him after the only Asian pirate we see on there. Well, then you have Mistress Ching, but I prefer Saurfang. And I hope to get more catfish to name them after Pirates of the Caribbean. Now, I'm probably not going to post this part of the feeding tonight. I will probably wait till tomorrow, and I will feed the rest of the animals for this month, or so y'all can see for this month. And I hope to get back on regular videos with the animals. I also have an update for the leopard geckos. I'm thinking about go ahead and put Crone and Oracle together, and I will just kind of run it like a vlog of everything going on with them. You know, oh, there's Will. There he is. That'll unfuzzy. You can see him pretty well. But that's Will. We'll go ahead and drop in well, now it's the 3rd. We'll go ahead and drop that in. There we go, perfect. Oops, there's some water falling on the camera. Go ahead and drop in the final piece for them for tonight. Alright. There it goes. And Will should be able to get a hold of that. There we go. This guy get to see a little bit of Will tonight. He usually doesn't pop out very often. So that's feeding them. I think that'll be it for tonight. And tomorrow, when we go out to get more crickets, I will feed Caesar, Crone, Oracle, Nira, and Pokey. Also, Toothless and Spud. We'll feed all of them tomorrow. We'll just keep an eye on them for just a few more minutes. Gonna try and do some other videos tonight too. So everyone's doing. Alright. Looks a bit cloudy with a little bit of algae spots I gotta clean out. And we got DJ down here, he's kind of just sitting there. I like to take them out each. I might do that tomorrow, actually. Take them out, because I haven't messed with them in a while. I just like to look at them, you know. But maybe just take them out and see how they've grown, you know. Start taking like a size chart every month. But maybe do that. But anyway, thanks guys for watching, and I'll edit this part into the full feeding video tomorrow. If it'll come on, Fuzzy. There we go. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, and I thought I'd add this into the feeding video. It wasn't finished on Mother's Day, but I'm gonna give this to her soon. Meant to give it to her on Memorial Day, but didn't work out either. I forgot. So this is kind of her birthday, my mom's birthday / Mother's Day present. This is what I drew for her. It's kind of hard to see with the kind of dark lighting, but as you can see, you know what? Hold on a second. Oh, all right. Let's see how good this looks. This is basically the drawing. American flag with the background, or the Florida gator with her nest and eggs, with the background of the American flag and a Florida gator. And the American flag is a little bit ripped up. It's supposed to look like that. Just figure I'd throw this in. Also, one more thing. Let me see if I can grab it real quick. This is just kind of something I was working on. Been working on. Just a little fan thing I thought I'd throw in here. This is just a drawing I did of Godzilla. Let's see. Dun 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 dun. Just the lower half, and then the top half. This is just a little thing I decided to draw. Thought I'd throw it in here for y'all to see. One second. Thought I'd throw that in here. It's kind of getting late, but I want to do some videos because I'm starting to feel better. I was going to do videos yesterday, but man, I got my front teeth done. You can see they shave this tooth down a little bit. Actually, quite a bit, because it was a lot worse than they said. Take care of your teeth, guys. Just take care of them, especially if you got bad teeth like me, and they easily wear down. Just take care of them. Otherwise, horrible pain when you have to have syringes, needles go into your gums and numb it, and then the pain afterwards, the nerve pain, is horrendous. Also, we'll be doing a video when it gets a little older, but our pit bull is now pregnant, or sorry, she was pregnant and she gave birth to her puppy last night. One puppy. Now here's the catch. It wasn't with another pit bull, and it wasn't with any other dog from outside. Get this. Okay, because she's never been off her leash. She's never, like, gotten away from us, except for a few times, but in that case, it had to be, like, within a few seconds if any other dog was it. But here's the fact. It wasn't any other dog. It was our, like, I'd say he's almost 10 years old. 10-year-old Chihuahua. So apparently it's called a, what was it? Pitwawa or something like that. Chihuahua Pit mix. Oh, jeez. One messed up little dog it's probably going to be. But that happens. So if you have a Chihuahua and any other dogs, don't think that it will not get that dog pregnant. It can. Luckily, it is only one puppy. We thought there was going to be a lot more because she got really big, but it's only one, so thank the Lord for that. And we've already got a few people that actually want the thing. So I'm not a dog person. I'm just going to get out there. Very few animals do I, not like. Dogs being the number one. I just don't like dogs. I'm not a dog person. I'm a cat person. I love cats. I think it's only because I've had bad experiences with dogs. More specifically, our previous dog that we had. And frankly, that was just... It was more stress that made me hate that dog more than anything. So, that's a long story, which I will not tell. But, since then, I don't care for dogs anymore. There's only one dog that I like. Actually, two I kind of like. I like Australian Shepherds and Blue Heelers, but I would not have one. The only dog that I would have in a heartbeat would be a Porky. We used to have them. It's a Yorkie Pomeranian mix, and it is the most adorable little dog. It looks like a little Ewok. It's like a little teddy bear. It's just adorable. And I like Porkies. I don't like any other dogs, so I'm a cat person, I'm a fish person, I'm a reptile person. And a bird person, because I got the quail out there. Which I might throw in there tomorrow, too. I'm going to go out there and check on them and feed them and all that, so y'all might get to see the quail tomorrow, too. There's one big monthly feeding video. I think I'm going to start doing that for a few weeks. I got to clean out this turtle tank, too. It's just, I've been so tired and hurting lately, I haven't been able to clean it. But, I'll show you a little bit of him. He's right there, if you can see him. Yeah, get him something to eat tomorrow, too. And also, Andrea's little turtles, I gotta clean their tank out as well. She wanted to keep them, and they will be released next time we go over there, frankly, because they were just baby turtles. But, yeah, we'll probably turn them loose when they get a little older, so that's that. But she's raising them right now in her room. She's got a little 10-gallon aquarium with a Repto filter. We'll probably put them into something bigger later on, but, for now, they're like her little pets. She's feeding them. They're doing pretty good. Nothing much else. About to do some... I'm not going to do any reactions tonight, but I will be doing my Alien Covenant review. I just saw Alien Covenant last night, and I won't say anything right now. I'm not going to say anything right now. I'm going to save it all for the review. As well, I'm probably going to do a Kong video, I think, and at least one Jurassic World video, I think, and possibly just one other discussion video. So I'm trying to get those out, and maybe tomorrow we'll do some reactions and whatnot. This weekend, we might go see Wonder Woman and Pirates 5. I really want to see those two. Pirates has been getting some bad reviews, or, you know, a bad rap, but I want to check it out, because frankly... Got a cricket out somehow. Hold on one second. Got it. But I still want to see it. Personally, my favorite Pirates movie is At World's End. That is my favorite Pirates movie. I actually really enjoyed On Stranger Tides, mostly because of Ian McShane as Blackbeard. But anyway, Wonder Woman sounds really cool. I want to see what Ares looks like. I want to see Ares. It's one of the biggest reasons I'm going to the movie, because they've kept him under wraps so well. So that's really exciting. And then Saturday, because my sister's boyfriend will be leaving soon, we're probably going to go fishing or something like that, so there might be a fishing video out Saturday. But anyway, I'm going to end this right here. That's kind of some news, a little update. And I'll continue the feeding video tomorrow, so y'all have that. Thanks guys for watching this little update here. I'll go ahead and get this for the fish video. He was just out, so it really sucks. Guys, I was just actually in the middle of doing my Alien Covenant video, so I gotta make some room on my phone. It really sucks that he quit, because I was really hoping y'all would get a good look at him outside the tank. There he is right there. We're going to go ahead and sign off in just a minute so we can go on with the review for Alien Covenant. Alright. Yeah, so that's all of them being fed. Check out the previous videos I posted, which was one about a toy rant, the other was the Alien Covenant review, and another toy hunt / pet supermarket hunt video. Saw some pretty cool stuff. Marvel Legends Old Man Logan. Got to see that little bunny at the pet shop. Cool Red Belly Paku. And also that Shin Godzilla that's there I want so bad, but I still can't afford right now. But nothing much for the weekend. We might go fishing or something like that, so maybe a fishing video will be out. The new flavors of Bean Boozled are out too. The strawberry jam or centipede and all that, so that's pretty crazy. So we might try and get one of those and do a challenge this weekend. But other than that, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this feeding video. Everyone's doing good. Cleaning the tanks tomorrow. Just got plenty of stuff to do. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos, and we'll go ahead and edit this together. Maybe do a reaction or two before going to bed. But I'm pretty tired. My mouth's hurting pretty bad since I recently had some dental work done. But thanks, guys, for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and also let's hit that 400 subscriber mark.